Look at these pancakes! Golden on the outside, incredibly soft and airy inside, and the best part is how easy they are to make. Today, I'm making one of my favorite simple pancake recipes with everyday ingredients. Let's start by separating the whites and yolks of 4 eggs into separate bowls. To ensure the pancakes turn out fluffy, it is important to follow the correct order of steps. Add a pinch of salt to the egg white and stir briefly. Then add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and start whisking, gradually adding the sugar so the white whips up and fills with air. This is exactly what gives our pancakes their airy texture. Now add teaspoon of vanilla sugar to the egg yolks and beat until they lighten slightly in color. Next, add 100 milliliters of olive oil, mix well, and add 300 milliliters of milk. Mix until everything is completely combined. The oil is important because it helps keep these pancakes soft and tender rather than dry. Now comes the important part. Add the flour and a teaspoon of baking powder. Everything needs to be sifted so that the flour becomes aerated. If the batter is too thin, add a little more flour. Don't make the batter too thick. The consistency here makes a big difference in how light your pancakes will be. You're looking for a batter that's thicker than regular crepe batter, but still flows easily from the spoon. If it's extremely thick, your pancakes can become heavy. If it's too thin, they may spread too much in the pan. Add the beaten egg whites in small batches and mix with the batter until smooth. Heat a lightly greased skillet over medium-low to medium heat. Pour in the batter and let it cook undisturbed. When you see bubbles appearing on the surface and the edges begin to look set, it's time to flip. Look at that beautiful golden color! Flip the pancake gently and cook the other side until golden brown. And here's another little tip. Don't press down on the pancake with your spatula. You want to keep all those little air pockets inside. These pancakes are so simple, but they make the perfect breakfast. You can serve them with butter, maple syrup, honey, fresh berries, or simply enjoy them as they are. And just look inside, soft, airy, and incredibly tender. If you love easy homemade breakfasts, save this recipe and give it a try. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite pancake topping? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.